Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Medicine. So in today's video, we'll be teaching you how to find the last digits using the modular arithmetic. So that is what we'll be doing in today's video. Alright, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and also share. So alright, we have A congruent to B mode 10. Alright, so numbers with same last digit are congruent to modulo 10. Do you understand? So if it is last two digits, that's congruent to 100. Last three digits, that's congruent to 1000. I hope you understand. So that's how it goes. Now here's the question. So find the last digit of 7 raised to the power of 100. We start writing 7 raised to the power of 100, 7 raised to the power of 1, 7 raised to the power of 2, 7 raised to the power of 3, 7 raised to the power of 4 to the power of 100. So how are you going to solve that? Now let's do it one after the other. Now 7 raised to the power of 1 in mode 10 is still 7 mode 10. 7 to the second power in mode 10, that is, 7 squared is 49, then 49 mode 10 will give us 9. Right, and the 7 to the third power is 63, and then 63 mode 10, so that will give us 3. All right, 7 to the power of 4, that is congruent to 21, and that's congruent to 1 mode 10 because 21 mode 10 is 1. Now look at this cycle: 7 squared, 7 cubed, 7 to the fourth power, so the cycle is 7931. So it's gonna repeat every 4. So the cycle gonna repeat every 4. You got what I'm saying? That is, if 7 raised to the power of 5, the congruence will be 7. Alright? So it's gonna be repeating. That is the cycle. Now, since the cycle length is 4, so then you divide the congruence. That means the last digit, we said if it is last two digit, that is congruence congruence 100. Do you understand? But the power there is raised to the power of 100, so you divide 100 by the cycle length and we'll go 25. Okay, then remainder 0. So the remainder 0, that's using the fourth term, so therefore the last digit will be 1. Do you understand? The last digit will be 1. So that is the answer to the question. Alright guys, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. And then you can check the general rule. Say find the cycle length, then after that you divide the exponent, then you use the remainder. That is about that. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.